The first thing we're going to do is put a black base color. This doesn't even need 2 layers because it's so pigmented. After every design I do, I'm going to flash here with this light. I literally just noticed it had no glue and lashes. Make sure you flash here for at least 30 seconds. Since we're doing isolated chrome, we're going to remove any shine with a buffer. Time to paint the spider web with the liner brush. All I need to do is make horizontal and diagonal lines to the side of the nail, then connect those lines with kind of like a U shape. And when you like it, flash here for at least 30 seconds. I'll take the silver chrome that came in the kit and rub it all over the spider web. Then brush the excess off. This is the finish. It came out so good. Now for the second design, we're also going to need a black. I put a thin layer of blooming gel, which didn't come in their kit, but you can get out the web. Let the liner brush draw white lines and cure. Now just add 2 eyes and a mouth with the dotting tool. And this is what they look like. These are so simple and cute. Now moving on to the next nail, we're starting off with the nude base and the white French towel. Take this right from the ball. I was so happy that I saw it was a jelly color because it's perfect for this design. Add a line on the top and then 2 lines going down. One should be longer than the other. A big dot on the bottom of the lines and then connect it to the top, which makes it look true. This is how this one turned out, so similar. On to the next, you're going to need a nude base color and a spoolie. Get the spoolie into the red, dab the excess and put it on the nail. This one is super simple, and good thing is that it does not have to be perfect. This next one, you're also going to need a nude base. With the liner brush, add thick white lines that go diagonal and horizontal. Then just add 2 black eyes on the tan. This is the result. And last but not least, we're going to do this white ghost nail. This product was not included in the kit, but you can find it in their website where a thick glob on the bottom and then drag it to the top with the liner. Hear that? And then add a layer or 2 of white. And finally, with the drawing tool, add eyes and a mouth. And this one was definitely my favorite. And this is how the set was looking, but we can't forget top. This top coat always stays shiny no matter what. Hear that fully for 60 seconds, and this is how it turned out. This set is absolutely perfect for Halloween, and it's beginner friendly, so there's no excuses and you can do it. But let me know how I did, and if you made this far, comment what your favorite nail from this set was.